Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be doing the roof lining on the Audi A1. This applies to all roof linings. This one was sagging just in the back of the headliner. So we removed all the old roof lining, and as you can see, this is it. When you remove it, guys, you're going to have a lot of this foam. It's going to be attached to the headliner and it's going to be a nightmare to remove. So I'm just going to jump over to the video, show you how to remove that stuff, guys, and then we'll get back into it. Straight up, use a vacuum. It removes it all pretty easy. Getting it ready. Ordered the new material. As you can see, it is when they post it all squashed up into a square, and then you're going to receive it with all these massive creases in it. And yeah, you can't install like that. You got to get the creases out. So handy iron. You're going to put it onto, every iron's different. You're going to put it onto your lowest setting, and then you're just going to work on a little corner, because if you burn through this, that's it, cut it off. And once you find the setting that can remove that crease, that's the setting you're going to use. Don't go high, just go slow, lightly up until you start getting the crease removed. Don't spend too much time on one area, you're going to burn the material, and yeah, the creases are going to come out. And then this one's got the foam backing. I'm going to go Bunnings, get some sticky spray it on. But the video is mainly just to show you, once you order this material online, it's going to arrive all creased up, and you're going to struggle to get it out. You have to use an iron. Alright, so managed to finish this, removed all the excess foam and most of the glue. Just used my vacuum attachments, got into it all, removed it all, comes off pretty easy. Just going to go around with a wire brush now and get all the excess lumps and bits of glue. You could probably see here, still bits in here that the vacuum's just not getting. Going to go around it with a wire brush and wire brush these corners, just the harder parts to get into with the vacuum. And once all that's removed, got new material here, it's all ironed out, came out all nice and ready to go. And alright guys, so you've seen how that manages to come all off. You use the vacuum, you can use a wire brush, make sure you get all leftovers off so the new material can attach to it. And I haven't got a video of how this roof liner comes out of the Audi, but basically you have to go around all the edging, remove the rubber trim, go to the sun visors, remove them, hex screws, the handles on the side here and here. I believe the hex screws too. Remove the back light. Once all that's removed, you also get the back trim and the trim. Just pull them off, front ones, pull the trims off. Once everything's released from the headliner, then it should pop off. It's all clips underneath it, so you have clips all along the front and there's a couple at the back. So that's how you remove it, guys. Today in Western Australia we've got a storm coming in, so we're going to try and crack on with this. We're going to use this Car Builders spray adhesive, whatever you want to call it. It's a web spray, which is better. We're going to spray it onto the material. Just when you get the material, guys, make sure you order enough. You don't want it just to the edges, because you're going to be pushing it down, pushing it in. You want at least about half a metre off each side, just in case you come across any complications. And this is kind of suede material. It's more lush and softer. It's going to be better for the soundproofing, I think, a bit more. This material is really flimsy, the kind of web, it's crap. Get yourself a nice new razor blade. Once you apply all this, we're going to leave it set, and then we'll cut out the holes and make sure everything's fitted properly. So I've got two areas. I'm going to do it here. I've got a blanket over there, the material's lying on. I'm going to lie the material over the top, make sure it's all even each sides. I'll fold one half over and spray the headliner, and just let it set for about 30 seconds to a minute, and then start pushing it all down. Once all that's evenly pushed in and looks good, I'll move on to the other side. I've got the blanket over there, guys, because then once this is all finished, I'm going to quickly turn it over, sit it down, and cut what needs to be cut, just to make sure it falls over the edges while it sits to dry. And yeah, just make sure you don't get this actually on the material. Once it's on the material, boom, that's it, over, guys, and you have to go and buy some more. Alright, so never done this before, first time doing it. Gonna high speed through it and see what happens, and let's hope for the best. Let's go. Guys, that's it done. As I says, first time ever doing this, and yeah, I definitely learnt a few things. I basically tried to spray one half on kind of one go, so I covered the material with the glue and then put the material onto the roof side, and it dried really quickly. So I was struggling to lift and stretch. As you can see in the corner here, we've got a big crease in the corner. Luckily that's going to be in the back, so I'm not going to see it, it's not going to annoy me, but the rest of it went pretty well. So what I would say, guys, depending on where you are, the temperature today here, it's really humid. We've got a storm coming in. Even though it's winter time, it's still quite a hot day. The glue set really quick. It did say up to 2 minutes to dry. It dried within 20 seconds, 30 seconds, and I was unable to lift and stretch. I did manage to survive the rest of it without any creases. So basically what I'm going to do now is just cut the excess around the edge, leave a few centimeters to fold over the edge, and then I'll glue the edging back in, and pretty much that's it done. So yeah, guys, if you are going to attempt this first time, do not follow my video. This is just to add to my channel and stuff that I'm doing to the car. Never done this before. It turned out okay. You can definitely easily make mistakes and probably cost you more money. Just say if you spray that glue onto the material, it's knackered. If you get a big fat crease, along the front, you're going to see it, or in the middle. That's up the back corner. I might actually just try and get the hair dryer onto it and soften it up, see if I can massage it out. That might work, just because of the material it is. But that's it, guys. Basically the video is on saggy roof. You remove the material, you're going to be left with all the excess foam. Follow that video on removing the foam, and for the install, maybe go to another channel where you get a professional that does it every day, all day, and he'll show you how. I'm just doing this to add to the channel. The progress of my standard A1 AX twin charger 1.4 TFSI. I bought this standard. It was really bad condition. Wheels were just trashed. I've got an upcoming video on the steering rack that's been bent by the previous owner. and I'm going to fix that. So thanks guys, please subscribe. This video is just for show of what I'm doing, definitely not a guide on how to do it properly, because I've never done it before, and this was just first attempt. As I said, it did turn out not bad, and I'll fix the crease and I'll reinstall this back into the car. Love it guys, thanks guys, and catch you all later.